Hello friends, today we will discuss the staging of CA ovary. In stage 1, the survival rate is 90%. It is further subdivided into 1A, 1B and 1C. In 1A, tumor is limited to one ovary, capsule is intact and no tumor on surface and negative washing. In 1B, tumor involves both ovaries, capsule intact, no tumor on surface and negative washing. In 1C1, either 1A or 1B but with surgical spill. In 1C2, either 1A or 1B but with capsule ruptured before surgery or tumor on ovarian surface. In 1C3, either 1A or 1B but with malignant cells in the ascites or peritoneal washings. In stage 2, the 5-year survival rate is 40%. In 2A, extension or implant on uterus or fallopian tube. In 2B, extension to other pelvic intraperitoneal tissues like bladder or rectum. In 2C, either 2A or 2B with ascites or peritoneal washings positive. Thus now come stage 3. The 5-year survival rate of stage 3 is 20%. It is further subdivided into 3. In 3A, there are positive retroperitoneal lymph nodes and or microscopic mets beyond the pelvis. In 3B, there are macroscopic extrapelvic peritoneal mets equal to or less than 2 cm with positive retroperitoneal lymph nodes. In 3C, macroscopic extrapelvic peritoneal mets more than 2 cm with positive retroperitoneal lymph nodes. Includes extension to capsule of liver and spleen without parenchymal involvement of either organ. Then comes stage 4. 5-year survival rate is 5%. Distant mets excluding peritoneal mets. It is further subdivided into 4A and 4B. In 4A, there is pleural effusion with positive cytology, and in 4B, hepatic or splenic parenchymal mets to extra-abdominal organs, including inguinal lymph nodes and lymph nodes outside of the abdominal cavity, and distant mets are present. Now comes the treatment of CA ovary. The treatment for stage 1A and 1B involves the surgery. It includes complete surgical resection, which includes total abdominal hysterectomy, bilateral salpingo-oophorectomy, careful evaluation of all peritoneal surfaces, multiple washings for cytology, multiple peritoneal biopsies, hepatic and diaphragmatic cytology, omentectomy, and pelvic and peritoneal periaortic lymphadenectomy. From 1C1 to 4B, there is cytoreductive surgery, which includes total abdominal hysterectomy plus bilateral salpingo-oophorectomy, complete omentectomy, and resection of mets and no residual disease more than 1 cm. It can be treated with chemotherapy, with carboplatin and paclitaxel. 6 cycles should be given. This is all for the summary of CA ovary. I hope you like it. Subscribe to the channel for further summaries. Thank you.